Hello everyone, my name is Hoàng Anh and in group 15, today I will introduce you about our programming. So let's get started.
So at first, we use import clear output to make the user easy to use. After every time the program loop, we use define function to make the menu short. After that, the variables are defined. They are name, age, school name, and hometown. So next, we use loop to make the program run repeatedly. We use while, and the option is in uppercase. So whenever the user press Y in normal, the program can crash. The try function is used to make the program can crash if they have error. And this the choose. Like in this, for example, we will choose one. So the one is integer. We enter, and we have the name. On the task 1, if the choose is equal to 1, they will automatic. Whenever the input is in string, they will in uppercase. So the task 5 will be easier to do. After the user enter input is age, school name, and hometown, we use for in function and append to make the new input is put in the list. When the user enter enough, and the program will end, and the option will appear that if they want to continue using the program. So if they press N, so the program will end automatically. But when they press Y, it will go to the while loop and come to the if condition making. So the choose is come to this, and if the player press 2, it will come back to this task 2. At this task we use input and upper, so the name will be in uppercase. We use name index to find the location of other variables like this. With all name index, the location of name will be as same as age, school name, and hometown.
Hello, my name is Nathan, and now I'm going to explain how we do the task 3. So when we choose 3, the program will automatically print the student's info until the end of the function. We use a for loop over here, so it can run continuously. I'm going to do this for you. Just read. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna pass this. Okay. Now I'm gonna choose 3. As you can see, the information I just typed in, this is the info of the students, and it will continuously to view the profile as long as you type in the functions. Move on to task 4. It asks us to provide a function to remove a student's data. So I used a input function here, so we can input the name, and we use the index of the name to do the removal over here. As you can see, I will do it for you. I just typed in a data. Now I'm gonna delete it. The name of the students I just typed in is shown over here, so I'm gonna type it in. And now the student's data has been deleted, as you can see. Let's move on. To talk about task 5, I'm gonna provide one more student so you can see. Okay, so HA. Okay, the students have been added to the list. Let's go with number 5. Task number 5 is exactly the same as task 3, but we added name sort function, so it can sort the name alphabetically. After everything we've done, there's an input error here if we enter something wrong. I'm gonna try for you. As you can see, the info is printed here. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for listening.